Hey, welcome back. I'm ADIDAS and I appreciate you for tuning in. So today we have a different unboxing for the channel, man. It's a shoe that I actually saw on Instagram. Shout out to the shoe game, because they posted these randomly, and I was like, the shoe is definitely fire. And for the price point, I had to go ahead and cop these joints. Definitely give you Yeezy vibes, like when you're looking at them. But you know how that goes. Nike does it all the time. They get a shoe or a model that goes crazy, then they release like a knockoff version or whatever you want to call it. So I believe it's pronounced Ozelia. Ozelia. I want to say, if I'm wrong, definitely correct me down in the comments. But this product is made with recycled content, so it's definitely light. And you see the in plastic waist right there. And then, I think all of the companies are trying to go for the, recycled material, less carbon, reduce your carbon footprint. That's what I'm trying to say. Because Nike's doing it with the boxes, and here we go, Adidas. I believe this is the first pair of Adidas that I've purchased that actually has that information on it. Okay, this shoe definitely looks better in person. Let me go ahead and get the other one up so you can see it. Man, if I can get out all this paper, they ain't trying to reduce their carbon footprint that much. Go get that close up. This shoe is fire, man. Like I said, this is very lightweight and it's crazy. It reminds me of a Yeezy 700 V3 or the Quantum with with this toe cap right here, but man, this shit was crazy. I went true to size, based on the reviews I've seen and the different colorways. Everybody's saying go true to size. Unless you have like a wide foot, you go half size up. But look, let me go get a closer look. This shoe, like I said, is fire, man. I believe that all sizes are still available on the website. They have a few different colors in men and women's. But this is the best one that I've seen so far, personally. But, everybody has different tastes. But the women, they do have a silver pair. Like, that joint's crazy. Wish there was men's, but, can't have everything. So, you got, like, the neoprene tongue with the Adidas logo in that yellow. And then the Ozelia. Oh, hold on. Can you see that joint? Then you got the Ozelia right here. Like the Nintendo, reminds me like an old Nintendo like font or whatever going down the tongue. Then like the upper is neoprene. You got the orange, yellow, white, and black vibes. Kind of like a sunset or sunrise sunset. You know how Nike did the Tune Air, the Air Max 10 joints. Definitely reminds me of that. Then on the outsole, yeah, like a milky translucent bottom. But yeah, it's not much to the shoe material-wise. It just looks like it's very comfortable. And like I said, it's super light. Like this shoe is, I don't even know how much this weighs, but I know it's not a lot. So definitely good for summer. I don't know about a winter fall shoe, but like I said, you can wear any shoe in any season. But I feel like this is more like a summer, springtime shoe, just because it's so lightweight. And I want to say it's not very breathable, because like the neoprene and everything is closed in, but y'all know how it goes with the shoe game. Companies try to use different materials, try to switch it up. But I'm not mad at this Adidas. I'm not mad. But and we need a few more good colorways and then just like end it, Because I don't want these to go overboard like the night joggers, the NMDs, of course, y'all ran that into the ground. Even the human races. And I can't say that like the Yeezy line is it's oversaturated, man. So please don't ruin these. Like it's affordable. In my eyes, it's affordable. Everybody's different. I'm not trying to count your pockets. But for $100 for a shoe that kind of looks like a Yeezy, and I feel like if it was a Yeezy, these would probably, more than likely, they would have sold out day one. Like I said, they're still online, so if you want to get a pair, I definitely recommend this colorway. 3 more colorways. I've probably shown it somewhere, like in a screen recording, but I don't know. Definitely check it out. Hopefully, sometime in the future, we get some new colorways. Shout out to the shoe game once again for putting me on, because I didn't even know this shoe was out. So scrolling on Instagram randomly, man, you never know what you'll find on Instagram. And I've definitely come across a lot of heat, a lot of dope black businesses, a lot of small brands, thanks to IG. So just utilize your resources. That's all I can say. But yeah, that's gonna do it for this one. Like I said, not much to the shoe. Colorway is fire. The material's decent. You know, the suede on the toe cap isn't bad at all. Got a couple of markings on the... Oh man, my camera died, so definitely a rookie mistake. Thought I had more time, thought I had more juice. I tried to beat the clock, but I mean, ultimately I failed. So before the video left off, I think I was talking about the markings on the heel. So you can see, if it focuses, you know, a few markings on the back heel, but you know, it's not that big of a deal for me personally. I would prefer to have a perfect shoe, but it doesn't always happen in the sneaker world, unfortunately. But it's all good for $100. Definitely not mad at the quality, and that's the only, I guess, flaw that I see on these. But since the camera did die, I went ahead and shot the on foot for this shoe. So go ahead, check it out. Alright, hope you enjoyed that on foot look, man. They're on foot, definitely comfortable. Like I said, they're very lightweight, man. Great summer shoe for sure. And as far as sizing, the 12 fits me perfectly. You know, I would go true to size unless you have like a wider foot, or if you want a little extra room, I would go up half a size. But other than that, true to size, I think is the way to go on this particular model. That's going to do it for this video, man. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know down in the comments if you've seen this shoe before, if this is your first time seeing it, if you're going to go after it. Especially this colorway, you know. I'm not sure about the other colors, like I said earlier, but this colorway is fire, man. Shout out to Adidas for definitely bringing something different. Or trying to capitalize on that Yeezy wave. Because this definitely could be a Yeezy shoe, easily. Throw some boost on it, and it's a Yeezy boost. But hopefully, you know, I don't know, maybe this was like a Yeezy model that didn't make the cut, and Adidas decided to drop them anyway. Because I can definitely see the Yeezy influence on these. That's going to do it for this video, man. Appreciate you for watching. Hopefully, I put you onto something new. And if I didn't, hopefully you enjoyed this video anyway. Because I really love this shoe. I'm definitely going to get a lot of wears in this. Like, yo. These are fire, man. The colorway is just crazy. I just keep looking at them. But yeah, that's going to do it for this one, man. Make sure if you aren't subscribed already, hit that subscribe button. It's free. Turn the post notification bell on so you won't miss my next video. On to the next one.
When I walk in the club, got money in pockets. I see you with your guys and now you're excited.